Hey there, so we're here with Kim, Thousand Islands RV Center. Just got one of our new NuCamp trailers in. This is the Tab 400 model. Kim, what can you tell us about the new 400 floor plan?
The new 400 floor plan gives you a lot of extra sitting and sleeping arrangements. It's a nice and bright trailer with lots of windows.
What about the floor? What's the floor made of? It's really cool.
This flooring is it's like a bamboo woven flooring. Very attractive and very summery.
Okay, and we've got a bathroom in the Tab 400, right?
Yes, the bathroom in this is gorgeous actually, and it's for the size of the trailer that it is. It's very roomy on the inside. You've got a nice deep sink, the lift up accessories, 2-burner stove. Down below you have your fridge, television off to the side,
And this would be your bedroom area?
and a double bed. I'm over 6 feet tall and there's still plenty of headroom. And over here we have the sunshades for privacy, and then this window opens up as well and it gives you a bug screen as well.
Here's your solar panels.
And all of the windows on this trailer are like your cargo latch trailer windows, so they lock down. Of the door screen that comes across, keep the bugs out. On the door you have a garbage container, as well your privacy screen for your window.
And a couple other little storage compartments
And little
too.
map pockets and storage. Very, very well designed for storage and putting things away out of place.
Hey, thanks a lot, Kim. So if you want some more information on the NuCamp Tab 400, you can give Kim a call, 1-800-837-6556, Thousand Islands RV Center, right on the 401.